Error 403, also known as forbidden or access denied, is an HTTP status code that appears in Minecraft when you're blocked from online features such as joining multiplayer servers or logging into your account. It's not just a Minecraft problem, it's a standard web error, but it's especially frustrating in Minecraft because online access is so important. This error is commonly triggered because of invalid session tokens, expired logins, or mismatches between the game client and Mojang's servers. Sometimes, your Xbox Live account might be flagged for suspicious activity, which can also lead to a 403 error. Fixing error 403 in Minecraft involves several troubleshooting steps. First, restart your Minecraft launcher and clear your DNS cache. Ensure your game client is up to date, as outdated versions can cause authentication issues. If you're using a VPN, try switching to a different server or disabling it temporarily, as Mojang has stricter anti-VPN policies. Check your firewall settings to make sure Minecraft isn't being blocked. If the problem persists, contact Xbox support to refresh your account tokens, especially if you recently migrated your account. For server-specific issues, the server might have IP whitelists or anti-cheat measures that block access. If you still get an error, use Wireshark to check your network logs to confirm that your error is on the client side or server side. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most 403 errors and get back to playing Minecraft.